Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a load more button to your GeneratePress theme. So as you can see that I have opened the blog page in my GeneratePress theme, and when I check this there is a pagination button like this. So it is not looking quite good, so we need to replace this with a load more button. So let's check how you can do that. So first of all you need to install the GeneratePress premium version plugin to enable this functionality. So for this we will go to the theme customizer here, and here we will go to the layout section here. Now here you will see this option block, so just click on here. Now here you will see different options like display read more button and display these options. So here you need to enable use infinite scroll. Now when you scroll down the page, it will load the pages infinitely, or you can use a load more button. So let me just select the first option and let me just publish this page, and let me just close here. And when I scroll down the page, it will start loading all the pages one by one. So user has to scroll down the pages and it will load all the pages one by one infinitely. So you can do that, or you can use a load more button instead of the infinite scrolling. So for this we will go to the same theme customizer here. Now let's go to the layout, click on block, and here you will see an option use a button to load more. So just click on here. Now here you will see that it will show a plus more. So we need to add a text like load more like this, and it is now looking quite good. Now let's click on publish here. Now let's close here, and when I go to the blog page and scroll down a little bit, you will see this option load more. So when I click on here, it will start loading the other post as well. So in this way you will be able to give a better user experience to your users in your GeneratePress theme. So for this you need to consider the GeneratePress premium plugin to enable this feature. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to set up the GeneratePress theme basic settings, then you can check out this video in the description, or you can check out the link on this top right corner. So thank you for watching. See you next time.